For a long time, I felt like my brain was stuck in slow motion. I'd sit down to work, stare at the screen, and nothing. I'd walk into a room and forget why I went there. Simple tasks felt harder than they should. If you've ever felt that heavy, cloudy feeling in your head, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Brain fog. In this video, I want to share what finally helped me go from brain fog to better focus. Not a miracle cure, not overnight magic, but the specific changes that, over time, made a real difference. On this channel, we talk about memory, brain health, and how to stay mentally sharp as you age. And if you want a ready-made way to support your brain every day, I'll leave a link to a complete formula in the description. This video is for information and education only. It's not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor about your specific situation. Alright, let me tell you what changed things for me. First, realizing brain fog wasn't just my personality. I told myself I'm just not a focused person, or I'm getting older. But deep down, I knew something was off. I felt like I was constantly pushing through mud. The first big shift was accepting that brain fog wasn't just who I am. Once I saw it as my brain asking for help, I stopped blaming myself and started looking for the cause. Second, fixing the silent saboteur, my sleep. I wasn't sleeping terribly, but I wasn't sleeping well either. I started making small changes. I picked a consistent bedtime and stopped using screens 60 minutes before bed. The result? After a couple of weeks, I noticed less morning brain fog and less desperation for caffeine. Third, stabilizing my energy. I realized my brain was on a blood sugar roller coaster after eating sweet or refined foods. I made a simple rule: no more naked carbs. I started pairing carbs with protein or healthy fats like nuts and avocado. Fourth, moving my body to wake up my brain. It wasn't about burning calories, but getting blood flowing to my brain. On days when I walked, tasks felt easier to start and my mood was noticeably better. Fifth, supporting my brain with targeted nutrients like green tea, olive leaf, and grapeseed extract. Together, they became my way of telling my brain, "You're a priority. I'm investing in you." Sixth, the mindset shift. If my brain was foggy, I treated it like feedback rather than a personal failure. Let's recap. Take brain fog seriously. Fix your sleep, stabilize your energy, move your body, and use targeted nutrients. Your brain is capable of more than you think. If this video gave you hope, hit like and subscribe for more brain health tips. Check the link in the description for the brain support formula. Supporting your brain is a gift to your future self.